point slope and pop-up gable. What we're going to do is add a point slope, and there's a process to doing it. You have to actually add a component to, go to architecture, go to component, place a component, get that out of there. And mine popped up with VisionREZ slope arrow. You could have gone to the search and just type VisionREZ, and it will pull it up for you. So there's our VisionREZ slope arrow. Place on work plane is where we want to put it. We're just going to put it on top of the roof for now. Select it and delete it. Now let's edit this roof to add that point slope. So let's do edit footprint. And to make it a little bit easier to see, we have a button called walls, and it just turns all walls off. So with that gone, let's use the point slope tool. Kind of pick on the corner that we want to match, come straight across, and we're going to pick twice. One is the location. The second is, this is where we want to start from. Thirdly is the direction we want to go with that point slope. Just hit escape to get out of the command, and let's say OK. It's going to pop up with, do you want more time? This is very important because we do not want more time, because it cannot solve, because it has a plus here and a plus here when we go into our edit edges here in a second. Here's our line, or here's our edit edges. I want to suspend for right now. So let's go through here and set up the settings appropriately. Let's turn this into a gable, this into a gable, and also this piece right here is going to be a 1'4" overhang. So I'm going to hit apply, and then I'm going to hit solve roof. So it solved the roof, it broke it right down the middle. We're sloping at the same location from across this area over here. So this is a proper way to put in a point slope. I'm going to say OK from here. All right, so now that we put the point slope in, we have that looking correctly. Let's go and add the pop-up gable. So I'm going to select it, do edit roof, and I'm going to turn the walls off, make it a little easier, and I'm going to do add pop-up. And if you go from right to left, it'll put it in there correctly. If you go the opposite direction, it puts it in there differently. And the tab, or the space bar rather, does not flip it. So just remember, go from right to left. So let's put one in there that's at least even numbered. And we could dimension to it just to make sure it's centered. Looks like we're close, so let's just pick this and do an equal. There we go, we're right in the center now. We can unconstrain it from the dimensions, and we can say OK from here.